lecture series of the subject fluid mechanics. We will see first what is the syllabus for the subject. And remember one thing, throughout our series, whatever we are learning for the subject fluid mechanics, it is only for the civil engineering, right? And in that also, the syllabus is for the course 2019 pattern only. So there are different courses under SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule, Pune University. So this syllabus is latest for 2019 pattern. Okay, so syllabus covers basically the 6 unit, starting from unit number 1 to unit number 6. Okay, and if you see each unit is further divided into 2 to 3 chapters. For example, unit number 1. So in unit number 1, the first and foremost important topic of the whole fluid mechanics is the properties of fluid. So that will be treated as in chapter number 1. Next is pressure and its measurement. It is the chapter number 2 under the same unit 1. And last one, it is the buoyancy, the concept buoyancy. It is also one of the most important topic of the fluid mechanics, right? So these 3 topics constitutes a 3 chapters which is forming unit number 1. So these all 3 portions, it is for 15 marks actually, all 3 portions. Okay. Now next is unit number 2. As in unit number 1 there are 3 chapters, but in unit number 2 onwards there are 2 chapters only. So in unit number 2, the first chapter is the fluid kinematics and the next chapter is the fluid dynamics. So this unit also, it is for 15 marks. Okay, so first 2 unit, it is for 15 marks each, compulsory. Now third unit, unit number 3. Again this unit is divided into 2 portions. First one is the dimensional analysis and second portion is the boundary layer theory. Remember one thing, these 2 portions are very much different, but it is part of third unit, right? So it will be the chapter 1, dimensional analysis, that is DA will be chapter 1, and boundary layer theory will be the chapter 2 of unit number 3. And remember the weightage for this unit, it is 18 to 17 marks, or you can say sometimes actually it depends. In some examination it asks for the 18 marks and in some case it asks for the 17 marks actually. Okay, minimum 17 marks or maximum 18 marks will be there for this unit number 3. Okay, so if you talk about the examination in the next video, we can see the examination scheme for this subject fluid mechanics. But right now we will see what is the portion, that is most important thing. Before learning anything, we should know what is the syllabus or what is the portion which we have to study, right? That's why we are seeing the syllabus first. In the next video we will see what is the examination scheme. Okay, now in the next 4th unit, again there are 2 chapters as similar as third unit. So unit number 4 is having laminar and turbulent flow through pipes. Note down, it is laminar and turbulent flow through pipes actually, not open channel, only through pipes. This is a chapter 1 of unit number 4, and chapter 2 is flow through pipes. This is again now one of the important topic of the fluid mechanics, right? Why? Because in general if we talk about the fluid mechanics, there are 2 systems under the fluid mechanics, that is the system which is under pressure and the system which is open to atmosphere, that is which is not under the pressure. Okay, so in 4th unit if you can see, whatever we are learning, it is under the pressure actually, right? Now last 2 units if you can see, before going to the last 2 units, the weightage for this unit also, it is 17 or 18 marks actually. Okay, so if we talk about unit number 3 and 4, suppose in examination this unit number 3 is, if it is for 18 marks, then of course definitely unit number 4 will be the for 17 marks. It is vice versa. If suppose unit number 3 it is for 17 marks, then unit number 4 will be for 18 marks. Okay, it means unit number 3 and unit number 5 combinedly it is for 35 marks. Okay, now Unit number 5, if we talk about last 2 units, basically it is for flow under gravity actually, that is open channel flow. So unit 5 it is completely for open channel flow. So open channel flow is one of the important portion, you can say, wherein we study the system, flow system or fluid system which is open to the atmosphere. So here it is not that much expected also as far as syllabus is concerned. So here we will be learning about the basics of the open channel flow actually. Now in the last unit, that is unit number 6, again it is divided into 2 chapters. First chapter it is GVF, that is gradually varied flow in open channel, and the second portion it is fluid flow around the submerged bodies or submerged objects. Okay, so these are the portions. I am just highlighting the headlines of these portions, and most importantly the weightages. So last 2 unit ka weightage if we talk about, so in some case it is as similar as unit number 3 and 4. Suppose if unit number 5 if it is for 17 marks, then obviously unit number 6 will be of 18 marks. In some case there are only 2 ways the unit questions on that unit will be asked, either 17 and 18 for last 2 units, or second way is, suppose if it is asked unit number 5 if it is asked for 18 marks, then of course last unit will be of 17 marks. In short, combinedly for these 2 units as well, the total marking should be 35 marks in this way. So it means if you can see last 4 units of the syllabus, the combined marks will be total 70 marks. Okay, so this is very much important actually. So in next video we will see what is the examination scheme for the syllabus or for the subject fluid mechanics. Thank you.